Okay, looks like we just got in the party pack for a HouseParty.com Just Dance 3 party we will be having. He's excited. So, we'll do a little unboxing, see what he sent us. Should be pretty cool. Well, not for you. Party pack. Don't put your fingers there. Should we see what's inside? What do we got here? Okay. Oh! Good, some paper. Cool paper. Okay. Oh. Just Dance 3. Information about it. Some suggestions for some sweet ultimate dance-off competitions. And everything else like that. Let's see. Poster. Open that up in a second here. Oh, looks like the $25 cards go out to guests. Up for first, Just Dance Kids 2, which he's a little too young for, but you guys might like it a little bit. We'll see. And Just Dance 3. Looks like we're going to be having a good time. I am going to go practice my dance moves so that I look a little less lame. And hopefully come up with some pre-programmed dance moves maybe. Challenge you guys. You guys can set up your own dance moves too. And we'll just see how it goes. See you guys Sunday on the 20th, 5 p.m. we're starting, so we'll probably eat some stuff, hang out, get things cracking, and show it off. Almost forgot the poster. Yeah, let's see what this poster looks like. Oh, wrong band. Oh yeah. Couple people showing off some sweet moves. You are the controller. We'll probably throw that up on the front door for the party day, so that you'll definitely know you're at the right place. Alright. Wanna go practice? Let's go practice.